So hey love, and welcome back once again to my channel. In today's video I will be sharing with you 4 amazing body butters that you can try out, yes, that are good for all skin types. Body butter, trust me, a lot of us complain, or some of us even do not like it. Yes, I have a friend that dislikes body butters because she feels it's greasy. It will even make her darker. Sit back and relax, because in today's video I have got you covered. We're going to talk about the different types of body butter. Trust me, I know you just think it's shea butter I'm going to talk about, but trust me, it's on our list. Oh, what kind of body butter is she talking about? Is she trying to say shea butter again? Everybody here on YouTube or on other platforms talk about shea butter, shea butter, shea butter. But hey, I am going to tell you not just about shea butter, but about a whole lot of other body butters that you can try out. Isn't that exciting? I'm already excited. That means there are many alternatives you can try out. Yeah? Okay. So make sure you grab yourself a cup of popcorn. Yeah, I think a cup of popcorn and a bottle of cold Fanta, Coke, juice, any of them, and stick around. Let's dive right into today's video. Subscribe if you haven't. Make sure you share this video to a friend and give it a thumbs up. In case you're new here, my name is Chiemelanyechi, and in this channel I talk about all things skincare at the moment, yes. And then as time goes on, like I've been promising, I'm going to be doing a whole lot of things. So if you love me and you love my content, share the content and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Facebook. Chiemelanyechi is on Facebook, and as well as my Instagram page, and also subscribe down below here on YouTube. It is amazing. We're trying to build our community on Facebook and also enlarge our community here on YouTube. Please make sure, because that would support me, that would encourage me to push out many more, because your girl has got a lot to offer. Okay, so the first body butter on our list is the Cocoon Butter. Yes, this is an edible form of butter. You can find it in chocolates, you can find it in, creameries, all those confectionaries that we like taking. And then one amazing benefit too is that it can be used on the skin. It has a pale or yellowish color. Cocoon butter is also very good for sensitive skin. It has no natural odor or scent at all. Some of us have the problem of using shea butter because of the smell. Now, cocoon butter, good news, cocoon butter has no smell. Yes, it is odorless. Among the other benefits I love about the cocoon butter is because it doesn't clog your pores. It doesn't make you break out. It's a non-comedogenic natural product. It does not cause pimples. Easily absorbs into your skin. Rich in oleic acid. It contains vitamin A, vitamin B3, there's niacinamide. It has zinc. It has oleic acid, it has stearic acid. Those are the fatty elements in the butter, of course, which makes it a body butter. And then it contains folic acid. Yes, so body butters are also skin conditioning occlusives. So number 2 on our list is the mango butter. Yes, so one of the reasons why I love mango butter is because you can use it on your face and on your neck. Yes, it is one body butter I love so much. It is good for sensitive skin, of course, people like me. If you're a sensitive skin person, you know the struggle, okay? You know the struggle. So it is good for sensitive skin people like me and you. That is if you're a sensitive skin person. It is also non-comedogenic. It will never ever clog your pores. It will not cause you pimples. Talking by experience. It is lightweight and non-greasy. So for those of my sisters out there that are worried about, oh, is this body butter greasy? No, it is not greasy. It is lightweight. Now, an extra benefit of mango butter is that it is good for fair skin people. So if you're a fair skin person and you're looking for a body butter or a butter in particular that would not darken your skin, I'm not trying to say that cocoon butter darkens the skin, but you want to, this particular body butter does not, will never. Mango butter is what I recommend. Try out mango butter if you're a fair skin person. Sweetheart, trust me, it will not darken your skin. It contains UV protection elements, and overall it glows your skin. That is what we're looking for, right? Now the third butter on our list is the cocoa butter. Yes, caramel sisters, black skinned girls, brown skinned girls, I don't know, ebony black girls, whatever, you guys, you understand. The Cocoa butter is an amazing body butter if you're a dark skinned person. Oh goodness, I love it. Palmer's is a brand that just loves cocoa butter. You know Palmer's, right? They have cocoa butter this, cocoa butter that, cocoa butter body oil, and protects the skin barrier. It is very rich in vitamin E, maintains your skin tone and helps your skin's elasticity. Cocoa butter is among the top hydrating body butters in the market. It boosts your skin's collagen. Yes, it prevents aging. Now the fourth on our list, I did not start with talking about shea butter because everybody on different platforms, especially here on YouTube, love shea butter. They talk about shea butter. Shea butter is amazing. Now shea butter is good. It has amazing benefits because it can reduce your stretch mark. Tested and trusted. Tried it before. I'm not sitting here to tell you what I haven't tried. Moisturizes dry skin. It is very hydrating. When I mean very hydrating, when you apply shea butter at night and lay on your bed, trust me, when you wake up in the morning, you will still be feeling very moisturized. So one of the reasons why shea butter is a bit tricky is because if you have a very oily prone skin, very oily acne prone skin, and you don't have any other exfoliating products to use, you know, it may clog your pores. There is a very slow percentage that it will do that, but otherwise it has never done that to me, and I love using shea butter. Shea butter helps rebuild my skin barrier. When I didn't have money to get expensive CeraVe products or any other product, I used good old shea butter and it worked. Just apply it on your face and lay on your bed, sleep and wake up. I think the best time to apply shea butter or body butters are in the evening when you know you're not going out under the sun. Really rebuild and moisturize your skin. It's rich in vitamin A and vitamin E, which is why I said when I used it on my face, I did not break out. But some people complain that shea butter made them break out. But otherwise, if you use appropriately and in a correct way, you will not have pimples and you will not break out. But just look out for it. Certain people with very extreme oily acne prone skin may not react well to shea butter. But otherwise it is amazing. That is if you apply it on your face. But if you apply from your neck to your feet, it is nice. But if you know you're very acne prone and your skin is overly oily and your skin is overly oily, you should definitely try out other butters I mentioned and, you know, use the shea butter on your body, not on your face. But for me, I used it. It's among the body butters I've used on my face, and I did not have any problem. Talking by or judging by my own experience, I know you guys understand, right? So you all are my family, and I would definitely always sit down to share things that I know work and things that I know is worth the try. So please make sure you subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. All right, okay. So there are other body butters I never mentioned, such as Tukuma body butter, Kapaku body butter, Lipe body butter. Leave all their spellings on the screen here for you to see. So make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. If you found this video informative and helpful, please share it to your friend or sister who is in need or who is trying to have an idea of what products of what body butters to try out. I love you, and don't forget that God loves you more. See you on another video. Bye.